Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting the files and app ready. Open your Planner app and confirm it supports image layers and transparent PNGs. This matters for seamless placement. Import a small test sticker to check scale and alignment because sizes often differ between templates. Once done, organize stickers into folders named by category and size to speed future use. Make sure page size matches your Planner template at full 100% zoom, so stickers snap in where you expect them. You now place and refine stickers on the page. Drag a sticker from your folder into the Planner, then use snapping or a grid to align it with columns or margins. This preserves consistency across pages. Resize with corner handles and keep aspect ratio unless you need a crop for fit. Once positioned, use layer controls to send it behind text or bring it forward, and lock placement to prevent accidental movement. Group related stickers so you can move them together without redoing layout work. You finish by saving and verifying your work so it looks right everywhere. Export a copy at original resolution and flip through pages to confirm alignment and readability on tablet or phone screens. If a sticker looks pixelated, replace it with a higher resolution PNG or scale it to under 100% to avoid blur. When stickers refuse to move, check that layer locks are off, switch selection tools, and, if needed, clear app cache or restart. Memory limits can freeze edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.